My name is Sofia Lyfar, dancer. I'm from Ukraine, and it's seventh lesson of my new project Bellydance from Zero to Infinity. And today we are going to learn and practice one more basic movement of Bellydance, and it is wave. Let's start from warming up our body.
اشتاق له عالحب وهي جابوه شوقني ودلعني.
We have two types of wave. First type, which we will learn now, it's wave in, and second type, it's wave out. Let's start learning. Also, we have two types of making wave in and wave out. We can make it with our belly only, it looks like this, or with our chest and lower back too. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to learn today with chest and lower back because it's an easier way to make our wave, but this we will learn in our next lessons. Let's start learning. We are starting doing our wave in from our chest. First we are making it forward, then up, back, down. So we made like 1, 2, 3, like a cube. Then from chest we are going to our upper part of our belly. 1. We are squeezing it. Then from this part we are going to our belly button part. Again squeezing here. You can see now. 1, 2. And then we are going to our lower part with our lower back together. 1, 1. My lower back is going out, out, out. Let's make it all together with explanations. Forward, up, back, down. And then we are going to our upper part of our belly, squeeze it. Then belly button, lower part of our belly, and lower back out. Okay, let's make it faster. 1, and make it all soft and together without any 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Chest, upper part, belly button, lower back. Chest, upper part, belly button, lower back. Chest, upper part, belly button, lower back. Okay, great. Now with arms. Look, now I'm standing on my left. My left is looking, foot looking outside, and my right leg is on releve. And when I'm making my this part of this movement, when my lower back is going out, my right leg is going from releve to normal position on the floor. 1. I'm helping like with my right foot. 1, 1. This type of movement we can use in ballet style and Bellydance, in all styles of Bellydance. And with arms, I will make it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest, belly button, chest, belly button. And one more extra thing, we can walk with this movement, and it calls camel. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm still making my weight in with a chest and lower back, but I'm making steps. It's little, but it looks like I'm moving, and if it's long skirt, it's very beautiful. 1, 2. I'm making first step with right, when my chest is going up. Then when my when I'm working with my belly and lower back, my left leg is stepping near right, back right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great, practice it. And we will go to second type of wave out. I think you get wave in. Also, when we are making movement camel with steps, it seems like camel steps, animal. So we call it camel. And now about wave out. Like I said, we have also two types of doing this movement. First, only with our belly. I will show you now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we can make it with our lower back and our chest. And we will make again today with our lower back and chest because it's easier way to make this movement. Let's start doing it by the same principle like wave in, but in different direction. First, I'm making my lower back in because like I made my wave in and it was out. Now I'm making it in. Then I'm squeezing my belly button here. Then upper part of my belly. Now I will show you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, upper part. And then I'm making my chest from back, then up and forward. I'm a little bit using my back to make like some little bending. Okay, let's make it slowly and with explanations. Lower back in, squeezing your belly button and upper part of your belly and bending chest. And now now faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here in this moment, my legs, my feet are not making some movements with my upper part of my body, so it's isolated. 2, 3, 4. And now with our arms, let's make it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, I have close position of my knees. I have it in all Bellydance movements. It's very important for me. 6, 7, and 8. We can also step with this movement like we made Camel, but it have like the special name Camel, this steps with wave in. But this we don't have any name. It's only steps with wave out. We can make it again in different directions. Let's make it first steps back. It's more comfortable. So I'm making a step while I'm starting making my wave out. I'm making a step. Then when my chest goes forward, I'm making second step. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will show you here. 1, 2. You can make it like this way, so slowly. One wave out for 2 steps, or you can make it faster. 1 wave out for 1 step here. So wave out, step, wave out, step, wave out, step, wave out, step, step, wave out, step, wave out, step, wave out, step, wave out. I think you get it. Let's practice it one more time here, and more and faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This moment you can use in your tabla solo, in your different styles. It's very beautiful and it's very interesting. So we finished our lesson for today. I was so great and so happy to see you. Thank you for watching and see you on our next lesson. Bye!